When you're in a meeting, do you ever wish that you could split up the room and put people into different groups and then bring them back together to discuss what they've decided? Until recently, only the meeting presenter could create breakout rooms on the fly, but now organisers can be relied on to do it for you, or you can go in advance to your meeting and set the breakout rooms up ready for use. So there's a few things to discuss here. You know, how many breakout rooms do you need? Do you want to allocate people to those rooms automatically, or do you want to do it on the fly as you make your decision during the meeting? So lots to discuss, lots to discuss. Let's have a look at breakout rooms. So breakout rooms has got an icon up on the top toolbar. I think that icon's changed since this video was shot, but you can create up to 200 different breakout rooms in one meeting. I don't know who can actually patrol that many breakout rooms, but say, you know, you wanted to create 2 or 3 different breakout rooms. This is how you do it. You go to the drop down here and select how many rooms you need. Then the next decision is whether you're going to automatically assign people to those rooms or manually add them during your meeting. Then you click on create rooms. Now, when your rooms are first created, they're just called room 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to rename them, you go on the little ellipses, the 3 dots to the right of the room name, and choose rename room. Then it's up to you to assign the attendees into a room if you haven't allowed Teams to do it automatically for you. The next step is going to be starting the rooms off. And when you start the rooms, then people will be pulled out of the main room and go into their breakout room. So here you can see what the presenter can see. You know, they can see all the people talking. Then gradually, as the rooms open up, people will usually freeze and then just disappear from view. And you'll be left on your own in the room as long as you've assigned everyone to a room. Let's have a look at what the attendees can see. As they move into another room, they might be the first person there, so you need to talk to them about that. And then everybody who's also assigned to that room will join them. And it might be that they share a screen and do some work, maybe with a whiteboard like this or on a document, and they can write on the whiteboard together, have a discussion, and then perhaps you, the moderator of the room, the presenter, can send a message in to tell them that time's nearly up. It's, you know, finish off what you're doing because we're all going to meet up together again and discuss what we decided. And there you see it. There's the little message that's been sent through by the presenter. Whilst the attendees are in the rooms, then the presenter, the moderator, can drop into the rooms, just join the rooms and just say hello, check they're doing what they're asked to do, and then leave again. So when you leave a room, you are brought back into the main meeting. And then you might want to do some sort of debrief and bring everybody together to talk about what was discussed, what was decided in those breakout rooms. So that's a very quick run through breakout rooms. If you've got any questions about that or like a little bit of help, my contact details will follow.